Um, if I printed this on a matte paper, it would lose the energy of the light. Because here, if I want to make the light here as strong and as rich as possible, then I need to generate as much contrast as possible. Therefore, I'm going to use a paper that gives me more black. These blacks serve the purpose of accentuating the light. If I use a matte paper, you can think of it like softening that effect, making that effect less pronounced. And essentially that defeats the idea of the image, that works against the story of the image. The story of the image is the light. How do I know that? Because I was looking in one direction, I turned around, I noticed the light and how amazing it was, and that's what I took a picture of. And so that becomes sort of the guiding principle, or again, the story of the image. If you ask me, what is this image about? For me, it's really about the light. It's the light and how it's shaping this landscape. The image is I'm backlit. And so I'm going to try to push the viewer further and further back into the scene until they get to this area up here, and then the horizon right there in the edge of the print right here. And then they're going to come back down again because that's where this big textured surface is, this big shape. So it's not really about the rock or the sand or the actual shapes. It's about the interaction between the shapes in the picture. And so hopefully you can see how you might apply this to a cityscape, or a different kind of landscape where you've got people in it or what have you. You want to think about what is the story that you're trying to convey? What is it that you're trying to get across? And which of the two major categories of papers are going to give you, or is going to complement that vision?